Hello, and welcome to Process Execution by Trustkey. Trustkey is an innovative process execution platform designed to empower organizations to streamline their workflows, standardize and automate repetitive tasks, and optimize business processes for maximum efficiency, quality, and compliance. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to automated process execution, this tutorial will guide you through how to use the logic automations to automate the labeling in Trustkey based on process progression. Let's dive in and discover the power of Trustkey together. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the powerful world of logic automations within our process builder. Our focus today: enhancing our previously set up project order process with automated labels to streamline tracking and efficiency. First up, we're revisiting our project order process template. Remember, to modify a published template, we'll need to introduce a new version. Our goal today is to apply labels automatically, indicating which department has reviewed the project order. This visibility is key for efficient process tracking. Let's begin with the financial department. Here's how we add an automation specifically for this section. Select Label Automation from our toolkit. Choose the Finance Approved label, which we've set up beforehand. For the event trigger, select Section Progress Done. The action Add will automatically add our label once the finance department completes their review. But what happens if a section needs revisiting? We've thought of that. Should the finance department need to reopen their section, our automation will remove the label. This is managed by setting up another trigger, Section Progress Reopen, paired with the remove action. This approach isn't exclusive to finance. We'll replicate it for the compliance department and executive management, ensuring each key review stage is clearly marked and tracked throughout our project order process. Each set automation is transparently displayed underneath each section for review and modification. After review, we are ready to publish our new version of the template and instantly upgrading running processes if necessary. Now the new process is ready to use. Now, let's see our new automation in action. Emma, who works in order management, initiates the project order for planning and approval for new project work packages. She navigates to the Action Pack space and selects Project Order Approval from the shortcut dropdown. All shortcuts of templates are automatically upgraded by Trustkey to the newest template version. On the launcher, she verifies the members automatically assigned to the action pack based on the shortcut configuration. Once everything looks good, she launches the action pack. As we can see, by default, the action pack has no label. Now, Emma begins to plan the new project work for approval and delegates the action pack to Fritz, who is working in the finance department. Fritz, notified by Trustkey, opens the action pack to review and sign the planning for the finance department. Using the signature automation with PN, he progresses his section. Subsequently, the action pack has now the label Finance Approved. In this tutorial, we've learned how to automate adding of labels by section progress. We learned how to automate removal of labels by section revisit. Most importantly, we've discovered how these functionalities can help save time and enhance status transparency. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Be sure to explore our social media channels and visit our playbook on trustkey.eu for further insights into Trustkey and automated process execution. Enjoy the process, and I'll see you next time.